Good morning. It's currently 8:30 in the morning and I have to go to the lab. So I'm on my way to class now. I had to skip the most important meal of the day, breakfast, because I wanted to be on time. And it's an actual lab today, so I should probably be on time. What up guys, so I just finished in the lab. It was cool. Anytime I'm in a lab, I feel like I'm doing something important. I feel really smart, but we didn't do anything crazy today. We dealt with parasites and like cereal dilutions. That was it. It wasn't that serious. I'm gonna go home and finally eat breakfast because I'm starving.
Bad. Like stand near the sink.
Probably it's because everything is in the sink still.
Yeah, because it's not something that's rotting.
It is.
They don't age, so good look like a child. They still look like 25.
Drinking green tea and leaves.
What up, fam? Bro, you have so many strongbows, it's ridiculous.
I know.
What? Yeah, so we're waiting for Nemo, and we're gonna go to town. Wait, why are we even going to town?
Isn't it?
Bro! It's so bad outside! Why you mad, son?
Shut up.
Why you mad?
Man gave me £7.50 in change.
Thank you. Alright, so me and the gang are in town now. Done. That's gonna look so stupid. Anyway, we're in town now, and we're gonna go to Top Man. Okay, well that was quick. Joe got something because he ordered something, and so we didn't actually get a chance to look at anything.
Oh, wait, do you want to look?
No, I don't want to look anymore, Joe. I don't want to look anymore.
Sorry.
Good.
Why would you want to get pizza on Christmas dinner? I mean, I know they're selling the Christmas dinner one, but I heard some people are going to get pizzas.
Yo, Nemo, you gonna get some jerk, marinade, chicken salad?
Actually, I'm actually
That sounds
something
pretty good,
normal.
actually.
Because I'm not feeling it. The turkey's alright, but the starters, like, I'd rather get calamari or...
So for our Christmas dinner on Tuesday, this is where we're going.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, can I grab two for you?
Yeah. Hello.
Friends.
Friend. Oh, that was a bit close.
Yeah, £10 the limit, so therefore get him a £10 one.
No, but I need to get him some. I wanted to get him.
Oh, you're going to get some else?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
fair enough.
Make it like.
Are you gonna get a joke present?
Wine connoisseur.
Or are you gonna get a joke present?
Joke.
Tell me if I was gonna impress a lady here,
I'm getting him is
what wine would I get?
Wow. I'll recommend a Pinot Noir.
Really?
Pinot Noir. I love a little bit of Pinot Noir. However, the ladies do like the rosé.
Where's it? Where am I looking? Where is it?
Well, it's mulled wine though. This is, I don't know what the actual rosé is, but the rosé. The mulled. The 450. Very good, very good.
Oh my god.
Oh, Emily, have you the word tractor?
I've never been.
Okay, so our bus isn't working right now.
No.
Oh, during winter they always break down.
Bro, I don't know what to do. Oh, I thought I was gonna get it this time.
Oh, no, it doesn't.
It doesn't count.
It's cheeky try.
Nemo, run the bus.
Hey! Oh, what is this? Ew, 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 ew. Hashtag where's the banner 2015. Do you know where it is?
I don't know. I don't have a clue.
Yo, do you guys know where the banner is?
No.
Do you know where the banner is?
No.
I don't even know where the banner is. Can you help us find the banner?
It's
Numbers feel really good and your best really bad. What did you do, man?
Let me knock it off then.
You made a mess, man.
Didn't make a mess.
That sucks.
Shit though.
Quick study break. Going to fix my laundry, put it in the dryer. I feel like I don't want to dry this.
oh, because it might shrink.
Yeah. Oh, this?
Did we check the label? It said on the label we can go and wash it with a dryer.
I don't trust these.
This symbol means it can't, so that can't go in the dryer. If
It can't, right?
If it's got a cross through it, it can't. If it's got a dot on it, it can't.
Oh, so it can't, right?
That can't. No.
Sick. Thank you for saving my life. That. Woo! Look at this hot guy.
May I have this dance?
Oh, you can. Oh.
Put it in the top.
Oh.
There we go. Oh my god. Hello, friend.
Hello. My good friend Jack here. Love of my life.
Pyromaniac expert.
Yeah, that guy. He has been so generous as to like give me his Zippo. Like pass it down the line. Cause he got like a really cool one. This one. He's gonna teach me how to use it. And how to maintenance and like fix it and make sure it's okay. So I figured, you know what, there might be some kids that want, okay, no kids, I mean like, you must be old enough to like deal with fire if you want to watch this video. So
I'm not mature enough to deal with fire.
Stop, man. Anyway, please don't play with fire.
Oh my god. Bruh. Bruh.
Oh my god.
No. Don't be a bastard.
Let's begin.
That doesn't matter anymore.
Oh,
So you
okay.
take the inside out.
Okay.
I'll show you how to do the flint thing first. So you unscrew it with the base, not the lid, because then you'll bend. So you unscrew this,
Yeah. Oh.
and then that's the flint, which is under that, which makes the sparks.
Okay.
You drop it down there.
Okay.
You take all this out. This is what soaks up the fluid. In there is the wick,
Whoa.
which is this thing. Fill this back up with the cotton. Screw this down. Okay.
So then how much of this do I put in there?
A good squirt. Watch you don't knock that over. It's very important too.
Oh my god, it's open.
Just until it gets saturated. There you go.
And it's fire.
Job done.
What? Thanks,
There we go.
friend.
It's been a pleasure.
Well, now you guys know how to maintenance a Zippo. Be safe out there. Don't be an idiot.
Like
This is what happens when you play with
lighter
fire.
tricks with Devontae.
I got a trick for y'all.
You'll get it eventually. You've got to let it go for a little bit.
I'm nasty! What?
Oh, I love them pants.
What are you saying? What are you saying, big guy?
Saying, bro?
I feel like I haven't seen you in 10 years.
Yeah, I know it's been ages.
Nah, bro, I'm not going.
You not going up?
Nah, I just want to see you guys for birthday boy. How you doing?
I'm stuck in the dilemma still.
Just take off your hat.
Can't, but the camera's on me. Innit?
Let me see that hat though. Let me see that hair though.
No, please.
Nah,
No,
come on, come through.
no,
Where you going?
no, no. Hey, Devontae, please.
What are you scared of?
I don't want my head to be on camera.
Are you
Hey,
sure?
please, Devontae.
Why?
no.
Do you need a barber?
Yes, I do.
Don't worry, your dad got you. He's gonna pick you up from the station. Birthday boy. This is his birthday today. Cutie right here. Louis Vuitton master. Louis Vuitton Don. Who are you?
I don't know why you're speaking.
Who are you?
To be honest.
Look,
Come on.
Basically, yeah.
Yeah.
My name's Nat.
she's
Yeah.
posh side,
Short
posh
for
side,
Nazca.
posh side.
Yeah.
Repping W13.
Okay, okay.
Ends. Okay? This guy claims he's from London, but
Oh.
he's not
I'm not from London. I'm from Essex, but Essex still better than London
Essex.
anyway.
Just type in Essex on Google Images.
Oh!
Do you want to get a proper picture of it?
So can you explain the story behind this condom filled with
This? Basically,
juice?
I had a guy stay over. It's just a mate.
And that's the end.
No, God,
Is that
no.
how? Where have you been, man? Nice of you to make an appearance. Why are you laughing?
I'm pissed off. I'm calm now.
Alright, so I just got back with Dammy and Zach and Matthew. It was chill, it was so jokes. Anytime with those guys, just bare bands. Anyway, I still have a lot of things I need to do, but it was Dammy's birthday, so I had to like show my love. Show love. Not show my love, that's weird. Now I have to pack and do a couple other things before it hits 4:30 this morning. So I think I might end this vlog right here, like now, and then by the time, like literally within like the next 5 hours, I'm gonna start the next vlog. So, oh, Nemo, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, bye.